it's Kita. Check this out. Funny, huh? Toothpick, a sharp pointed needle, a pair of scissors, any paper cup you can find, and lots of different thread or yarn, maybe even ribbons. Take the needle and poke a hole in the bottom of the cup. Try to get it in the middle of the cup. Wiggle the needle around a bit. I've chosen the ribbon to work with. Cut a length about 1.5 feet. Tie a knot in the end. Slide the toothpick in. Tighten the knot. Make a second knot to secure the toothpick. Now, go to the other end and thread this through your needle. From the inside of the cup, try to find the hole and pull your yarn or ribbon through. The toothpick should end up on the bottom of the cup, like this. Remove the needle and grab the ribbon between your nails. Pull! If you cut the cup shorter, it sounds different. Try using different kinds of thread. And different cups. Not everything will work.
Blooper.
Bye bye!